my channel. So guys, recently I have got two products from the brand The Body Avenu, and I have got that Retinol Serum. I hope you can see that, and this eye cream. And guys, I have been using these two products for last 3 weeks, and in this video I'm gonna talk about all the details of these two products. And guys, this brand is an Indian brand and it is available on Amazon, and all their products are paraben free, sulfate free and cruelty free. So yeah, let's start the review. Let's start with the serum. The outer packaging of the serum is very basic cardboard packaging. Here they have mentioned on the ingredient list. The MRP of the serum is 1299 rupees, but Amazon price is 499 rupees, and you're gonna get 30 ml of product. The serum comes in this kind of amber glass bottle with this dropper. Overall, the packaging is very basic packaging, and they claims that the Body Avenu Retinol Serum is specially formulated to reduce wrinkles, dark spot, pigmentation, fine lines and skin discoloration. It boosts the collagen production, which improves skin texture and also protects skin from UV exposure. It promotes the production of new skin cells and adds shine and radiant glow to the skin. So now let me show you the product first, and then I'll show you the application. The key ingredient of this serum is retinol, hyaluronic acid and glutathione. Retinol is known as vitamin A that helps to boost the collagen of our skin and stimulate the production of new skin cells, which improve our skin color. Hyaluronic acid makes our skin plump and supple. Both retinol and hyaluronic acid help in reducing signs of aging, fine lines, wrinkles, and make the skin radiant, glowing and youthful. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant that neutralize free radicals, boost skin immunity and detoxify the skin. Now comes to the application. So at first clean your face nicely, which I have done already. Now take few drops. Massage it gently or apply it in dabbing motion. That's it, done. And guys, remember, initially you have to apply this serum max to max 3 days in a week, but if it doesn't work for you, then you can go for regular basis. So guys, the serum is liquid in texture and it absorbs quickly. I have been using this serum for last 3 weeks, and guys, I don't know how it works on the sign of aging, but it works on my pigmentation. And guys, don't expect any magical instant result from this serum, because it works very slowly, but it works, and instantly I can see that I can feel that hydration, I can see that glow on the face. So this serum is for all skin types, and I'll highly recommend this serum for dry skin peoples, because dry skin peoples are very much wrinkles prone, and this serum has anti-wrinkles property. The next product is the eye cream, and it also comes in this kind of basic packaging, and the MRP of the product is 699 rupees, but the Amazon price is 349 rupees, and you're gonna get 30 grams of product. The eye cream comes in this kind of glass jar packaging. That is how the cream looks like. It contains all natural ingredients like aloe vera, cucumber, grapeseed oil, rosehip oil, jojoba oil, and also vitamin E. Guys, take very little amount of that cream, apply it, and then massage it gently. Guys, it is a little thick in consistency and took little more time to get absorbed, but it absorbed completely, and that's why I prefer to use it at night before bed. Again, I would like to mention that don't expect any magical result from this cream. If you really want to get rid of your dark circles, then don't stress too much, follow proper diet, sleep well, drink proper amount of water. Water can hydrate your body as well as your skin, and don't forget to add this cream at your nighttime skincare routine. That's all for today. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys been here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.